हेलो दोस्तों, तो कैसे हैं आप सभी। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप सभी ठीक होंगे। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं नोबेल प्राइज़ 2025 एमसीक्यूज के बारे में। बिना टाइम ज़ाय किए आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। जॉन क्लार्क, माइकल एच डिवोरेट एंड जॉन एम मार्टिनेस हैव बीन अवार्डेड द 2025 नोबेल प्राइज इन विच कैटेगरी? ए फिजिक्स, बी केमिस्ट्री, सी इकोनॉमिक्स, डी लिटरेचर। Answer option A physics. Question number 2. Who has been awarded the 2025 Nobel Prize in Literature? A. David Baker, B. Han Kang, C. John Fuchs, D. Laszlo Krasznahorkai. Answer option D. Laszlo Krasznahorkai. Question number 3. Susumu Kitagawa, Richard Robertson, Omar M. Yaghi have been awarded the 2025 Nobel Prize in which category? A. Physics, B. Chemistry, C. Economics, D. Literature. Answer option B. Chemistry. Question number 4. Who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2025? A. David Baker, B. Han Kang, C. Maria Cornelia Machado, D. Nyohan Hideko. Answer option C. Maria Cornelia Machado. Question number 5. Mary E. Brunko, Fred Remsel, Simon Sakaguchi have been awarded the 2025 Nobel Prize in which category? A. Physics, B. Chemistry, C. Economics, D. Psychology or Medicine. Answer option D. Psychology or Medicine. Question number 6. In how many fields are Nobel Prize given? A. 9, B. 7, C. 5, D. 6. Answer option D. 6. Question number 7. Joel Mokyr, Philippe Aghaon, and Peter Howitt have been awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in which category? A. Physics, B. Chemistry, C. Economics, D. Literature. Answer option C. Economics. Question number 8. When is the Nobel Prize given every year? A. 12th January, B. 28th October, C. 18th July, D. 10th of December. Answer option D. 10th of December. Question number 9. In whose memory is the Nobel Prize given in every year? A. Isaac Newton, B. Nelson Mandela, C. Alfred Nobel, D. Mahatma Gandhi. Answer option C. Alfred Nobel. Question number 10. Which field has the most Nobel Prize winners? A. Physics, B. Chemistry, C. Medicine, D. Literature. Answer option C. Medicine. Question number 11. Who was the first female from India to receive the Nobel Peace Prize? A. Nargis Dutt, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Mother Teresa. Answer option D, Mother Teresa. Question number 12. Who was the first person to win a Nobel Prize in Literature? A. Ruskin Bond, B. Rudyard Kipling, C. Sully Prudhomme, D. Oscar Wilde. Answer option C, Sully Prudhomme. Question number 13. When was the first Nobel Prize given? A. 12th of January 1930, B. 20th of October 1885, C. 18th of July 1924, D. 10th of December 1901. Answer option D, 10th of December 1901. Question number 14. In which field did Kailash Satyarthi win the Nobel Prize in 2014? A. Physics, B. Chemistry, C. Medicine, D. Peace. Answer option D, Peace. Question number 15. Who is the first to win the Nobel Prize in two different sciences? A. Marie Curie, B. Barack Obama, C. Nelson Mandela, D. Linus Pauling. Answer option A, Marie Curie. Question number 16. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize? A. Amartya Sen, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. C.V. Raman, D. Mother Teresa. Answer option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 17. For what did Albert Einstein get the Nobel Prize in 1921? A. Mass energy effect, B. Black body radiation, C. Photoelectric effect, D. Atom model. Answer option C, photoelectric effect. Question number 18. Where are all the Nobel Prizes except the Peace Prize given? A. Oslo, B. Stockholm, C. London, D. Zurich. Answer option B, Stockholm. Question number 19. Where the Nobel Peace Prize is awarded? A. Oslo, B. Stockholm, C. London, D. Zurich. Answer option A, Oslo. Question number 20. Who among the following has not received a Nobel Prize? A. Amartya Sen, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. C.V. Raman, D. Mother Teresa. Answer option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 21. Which two Indians have been awarded the Nobel Prize so far in economics? A. Amartya Sen, B. Abhijit Banerjee, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Answer option C, both A and B. Question number 22. Who was the youngest person to win a Nobel Prize? A. Malala Yousafzai, B. Albert Einstein, C. Ruskin Bond, D. Kailash Satyarthi. Answer option A, Malala Yousafzai. Question number 23. Who has been awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Physics? A. Geoffrey E. Hinton, B. John J. Hopfield, C. Victor Ambroose, D. Both A and B. Answer option D, both A and B. Question number 24. Who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2024? A. David Baker, B. Han Kang, C. John Foos, D. Nihon Hadenko. Answer option D, Nihon Hidenkyo. Question number 25. Who has been awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry? A. David Baker, B. Demis Hassabis, C. John M. Jumper, D. All of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 26. Who has been awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Literature? A. David Baker, B. Han Kang, C. John Foos, D. John M. Jumper. Answer option B, Han Kang. Question number 27. Who has been awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Economics? A. Darun S. Mogley, B. Simon Johnson, C. James Robinson, D. All of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 28. Who has been awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Medicine? A. Gary Rupkin, B. Victor Ambroose, C. David Baker, D. Both A and B. Answer option D, both A and B. Question number 29. Who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2023? A. John Foos, B. Nargis Mohammadi, C. Koldai Golden, D. Katalin Kariko. Answer option B, Nargis Mohammadi. Question number 30. In which field is the Nobel Prize not awarded? A. Literature, B. Peace, C. Mathematics, D. Physics. आंसर ऑप्शन सी, मैथमेटिक्स। आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर आज का वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल में नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।